Ooh, look at that already. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Nessa's World. So I am trying to see if I can, vlog consistently. So let's just say this is vlog 2 official, because I did the chicken the other day, which is vlog 1. So this is vlog 2. Alright, so today I'm going on the road and I'm going to Reliables Carriers. It's the first time I'm using a Jamaican shipping company because I was very skeptical, but then this one just moved close to me, which is in Old Harbour, and I decided to give it a try. So far so good. I ordered something last week and it's here already. It's here already, so that's pretty amazing. I'm gonna see how the transaction go and see if it's good, and then recommend you guys to see if you can go there. But yeah, I'm going to do that. Plus I have to go and buy some stuff for the thing that I bought, and I'm going to do a review on that. And then I want to buy lunch for my worker, yeah. And then next thing, I need to buy something to put up that, so you need to check out that video also, because I'm going to do a review on those 2 packages. And then what else I need to do? Yeah, I need to go shopping because I run out of some stuff like onions and them stuff there, so I need to get them there, something there. I need to call a carrier because I sent something to America now, in a reach from about a month ago, and in a reach, and that is bizarre. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take you on the journey today to let you see the process. Plus I need to get some more pills, yeah. So see you in a bit. And guys, when you hear this, the man say him love him chicken back stew down, yo. This bad. Humidifier. No, if we clear the air. How much I custom charge? You know?
Well, I can't see right now. Check out this.
No, this not have none. Not like when you purchase stuff over $50. You can give me an average, right? Okay. Hey guys, so we just come back and I'm tired, and let me show you what I got. So I went to pick up the package, and this humidifier, and I got this. And this is a TV mount, so I'm going to do a review on both of them so you guys can check it out. I also got some one essential oil for this, and I got some green groceries because I was running out. I got like eggs, banana, and bread, only for green groceries, and got some juice, some toiletries, and yeah, and I also bought KFC because we're hungry. You know, when we go on the road, we can't come home and cook. I'm too tired. So I buy some KFC. A long time I don't eat KFC anyway. So that's that. So I'll check it out, guys. So now I'm going to review the humidifier, and it's for large room, and let me tell you what it says. It says auto regulate mist option, manual adjustment mist level, night level option, essential oil features, auto shut off, and active carbon filter. So it lasts up to 24 hours, so that's good. And it holds 4 liters of water, and I have 2 years warranty, which we never use. So see, I just got it. This is how I got it in the box, same way. This is the label and everything, and I'm just gonna pull it. I bought a black one because, as you guys know, I don't know if you know, but I like to match out with stuff. So I like black appliances. And in there we got a bonus inside. Yeah, so I just get 10% off my next buy. So I got a code. I'm not going to share it with you because that's my code. I don't think they want me to share it. This is the starter guide. And I got the instruction manual. And it's nicely packed. Here it is. And it was secure with 4 boxes inside, so that's good. So here it is, guys. My humidifier. I'm gonna have pure air. So let's see how this works. So I guess this is this I need to take this off. Oh, this is the lid. So inside of this, I got this. What is this? This is the card. Nicely packed. And this. And in here is where the water goes, obviously. It doesn't feel all that strong, but I think it's durable because it's not like something is moving up and down. All I need to do is just lift it up and pour water in it, and that's it. Down here, I don't know. I need to pour in essential oils. I guess this is one thing that I have to read the manual for. Alright, so let's see the manual. So I'm going to pour the water in here, and then I'm going to put the essential oil in that. And that's pretty much it. So guys, I'm going to get the water and the essential oil and then come back. So alright guys, I'm going to plug this in and put in the water. I don't know where I'm putting it yet. I don't think it's right here. So you see the light come on. And then I'm going to put some water in here. So basically I should not allow the water to go over this thing, so I'm not going to put too much. So you put it in this straight thing. So I got this eucalyptus oil. I can't even pronounce it. Eucalyptus oil, however you pronounce it. And I'm just gonna drop 2 drops in it. Let's see how that works. Ooh, look at that already. And let me see. So it start, this is the first press, it start mode. So that's the first press, that's low. The second press, low mix. Third press, medium mix. The fourth press, high mix. Fifth press, turn off light and hold for 3 seconds, tank light. So first press, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do eye mist. I thought it would go up more, so I guess I have to put it on something high so that it can capture everything in the room. But that's pretty much it. So yay, that's my humidifier. I am happy for it, and I'm gonna see if everything work out better, because the dust and everything been affecting me, and I hope this stop it. It should cleanse the ear, so I'm gonna put it up high. So yeah, put it up high so that it can capture everything. So thank you guys for watching this review, and on to the next. Yeah. Alright, so for this one, this is the TV mount. I didn't want to buy the one from Jamaica because it was expensive, plus it wasn't that secure. So I decided to buy one off of Amazon. And so, a box in a box. It's heavy. So it weighed £13, right? And on Amazon I pay $40 something. I think it's either 30 something or 40 something dollars. I'm gonna put it right here. But it weighed £13, so when it reached here I had to pay 5,000 something for the extra weight, you know. But that's it. It's still worth it because you can practically say I spent 10,000 for this, but the cheap ones out here is for 5,000 something, so kind of worth it still, if you understand. And I want to tell you why I bought this one. Alright, so in this we have a card, I think. So some registration code card thing. We have the manual. We have a HDMI cable. The screws, and they're all labeled in A, B, C, D, E, F. And so are these. This is the washer, I think. TV mounts. So these are the washers. And these are some more screws. And I always wanted one of these. See, this is great because this is a level. Like literally they gave you a level. No, how handy is this? I got a level. These are two things that will go on the back of the TV. This is the strip for the TV. Oh, this is really good. Like this is literally good. Like they give you everything and they ensure that your TV is not damaged. So they put some little padded stuff in there. Now this is like the ruler thing that I should use. So that's great. And they give me additional level thing, just in case one fall up. Ain't that smart? I think this is the one that you put on the teeth, the thing, I don't know. But I must say that this was a good buy. Like, everything is in it that I need, and I'm ready to have some fun. And how did they know that blue is my favorite color? So for this, I definitely have to read the instruction to put it up, and I may definitely need some help. This is why I bought it. If you look on this, what the thing that connects to the wall, this part, you have more screws, so it's more secure on the wall. The ones that they're selling in Jamaica is just a little bit here, and that's not safe. That's not safe, and I don't want my TV to be broken. So I am ready to do this. Alright, so that's the end of today. I'm going to wait until the guy come with the drill and all that to put up the TV mount, and I'll video that so that you guys can see that in the next video. In here smells so good with the humidifier and the eucalyptus oil, if I say pronounce it. I'm going to close out this vlog, so I'll see you in the next one, guys. Don't you forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. Yeah. Guys, look at my curtain, look at the chair. I am so proud of myself, yeah. And thanks to God, because he gave me gifted hands. So anything that I put these hands to would come out good. Just know that. Yeah, but I'm so happy for my packages. The service at Korea, the reliable carriers, was great. It came on time. If I had more money, I would buy more stuff, but I don't have any money. The TV remote is so strong. I'm glad I actually bought it from Amazon, because I don't think the one that I would get at Quartz would be all that good. And I can't wait to put it up. I just can't wait to put it up. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Bye.